Hello children. Today let us learn about transportation. What do you mean by transportation? Transport or transportation is moving people or things from one place to another place. Nowadays we can travel anywhere at any time. Transportation had become a part of our daily life. Learning outcomes. Describe in detail past form of transportation. Identify several modes of transportation and decide which is best for specific situation. Learn about methods of transportation used through history. Understand the role of technological invention and natural resource in developing transportation system. What do you mean by means of transport? The vehicles that we use for traveling and carrying goods are called means of transport. How did people travel in olden days? In olden days, people used to travel on foot and domestic animals and carried the goods on their head and shoulders. They are also used domestic animals like donkeys, horses, camel, etc. Invention of wheels. People began to use round logs to roll the heavy weights. It was the first wheel that man used that made easy to roll the heavy woods and loads. A milestone in the history of human being. Gradually, man studied how to make wheels. The invention of the wheel is a milestone in the history of human being. Wood was the material used to make wheels in those days. Invention of wheels make the transportation easy and fast. Also, the invention of wheel brought about new ways of doing things. This made work easier and inspired even more new ideas. Not only in transportation, wheels are used in other field also, which makes our work easier, like pottery, factories, in machines, etc., in pulleys. Also, the wheels made the transportation easy. The traveling became part of our daily life. There are 4 different types of transportation: roadways, waterways, airways, and railways. Let us discuss all that. The vehicles that are moving on the road is called roadways. Car, lorry, trucks, etc. are some examples for roadways. The vehicles that move on water are called water transport. Boat, ship, sail ship, etc. are some examples for water transport. The vehicles that fly in the air are called airways. They are the fastest means of transport. Example, helicopter. A railway is a route between two places along which let us recall. What do you mean by means of transport? What are the importance of transportation? What are the different modes of transportation? How the wheels make our life easy and fast?